Hey, Billy. Oh. Okay.
Oh, hey, Jade.
Hey, Billy.
Oh, geez. Oh, man, I sure am hungry. Jane, can I please have an itty-bitty bite of your roasted nut crunch?
Yeah, sure.
Gosh, you are a real doll, Jane. You know that? A real doll. It's really the best, really. Everything about you is perfect.
Billy! Oh my God! Are you okay?
What the F, Jane?
What?
Why would you poison me with your roasted nut crunch?
You asked for it!
I can't even believe this right now. First off, you tried to poison me with your roasted nut crunch, and now you're acting like a real bee.
What do you mean, poisoned, Billy? You literally walked in here, started dancing, sat down, annoyed me while I was trying to do my homework, ate my roasted nut crunch, and accused me of killing you.
Yes. Alright. Guess I'll just have to tell. Jane.
Tell. Tell who?
President Obama. Yeah, hey, Obama?
What if he tells Obama? No. No, he doesn't know Obama. He doesn't know Obama.
Yeah. Yeah, Jane, she's being a real bee to me.
He does. No, I'm being ridiculous.
Yeah. Oh, yes, I do have the toothbrush. Yes, right here. So it's all good? Okay. So I'm good? Alright, thank you. Love you, bye. Jane. Why did you make me do this to you?
Do what, Billy?
You know what it is. Let's finish this quickly. I'm still hungry. You know what they say, Jane? It's the size of the dog in the fight. And I'm a Great Dane.
No, Billy. It's not about the size of the dog in the fight. It's about the size of the fight in the dog!
Jane.